Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your TikTok username or name on your TikTok Lite mobile application. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, you need to open up your TikTok Lite application on your phone. And then you'll be met with your TikTok homepage or your For You page. Now you need to go to your profile, or you have to tap on the Me button. And then you'll be met with your profile. And if you focus on the middle part of the screen, you'll see the Edit Profile button. You need to click on it. And you can see that there is a name option. Now you have to click on the name option and you have to write the name that you wish to change. And you can save it by clicking on the Save button at the top right corner of your screen. And voila, your name has been changed on your TikTok Lite mobile application. So we hope you find this video informational and useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what you want to see next. Thank you for watching.